In our next video, we're going to demonstrate you how we do a very popular chicken teriyaki. So it's a nice chunks of chicken and a beautiful from scratch teriyaki sauce. Our next recipe will be our very famous chicken teriyaki that now we also going to offer it to you in a hearty size. So start with canola oil. We're gonna add our onion. Voila. This we're gonna add some freshly chopped garlic and oil we use, and also fresh ginger. Sweat this nicely to have a beautiful aroma. There you go. Now we're gonna add to that our water and our soy sauce. Some brown sugar. Beautiful honey. As you can see, the honey crystallized. Shows you that we're using nice fresh honey, not pasteurized. So we go. Gonna let this mix nicely together for a minute or two. Now we gotta add our vegetable. This here is basically a teriyaki sauce, but we like to enhance it with some nice sliced pepper. So green, there's a bit of yellow, red, and also some sliced onion. And the basic recipe do not contain those vegetables, but we like to enhance it with a little bit. We just think that it's a nice addition to the sauce. Gonna let this come to a simmer. So we have prepared our slur. As usual, a starch, which in this case is a cornstarch, and also some water, mixing nicely together. And those functional ingredients will help to bind our sauce nicely. So we have a nice simmering happening. So slowly we're gonna add our slur binding agent. You can see that it's already start thickening up, which is what you want. You're gonna give a minute or two there to really let the functional ingredient do their work. And we're gonna add our nice chicken, diced chicken. Beautiful. There we go. There you have it. Our very popular chicken teriyaki. Then we're gonna just move on the side, and then we're gonna plate it up for you. Okay, let's dish up this beautiful dish. Our chicken teriyaki. There we go. And there you go. I'll piece of chicken right here. There you have it. Our very popular chicken teriyaki.